Hello everybody. Just imagine a man earning 8 lakh rupees every month without an office, without an app, without moving his vehicle, no investors and no advertising, just human trust and one powerful idea. This isn't a fiction. It's the real story of a Mumbai's auto rickshaw driver who found gold outside the US Consulate, charging rupees 1000 rupees to simply hold a bag. So hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we are diving deep into a story that proves entrepreneurship isn't always about Silicon Valleys, apps or pitch decks. It's about solving a real problem at the right time in the right place. So this is the inspiring story of Mumbai's rickshaw entrepreneur. So every day, hundreds of people arrive at Mumbai's US Consulate for their visa interviews. These appointments are stressful and critical, but there's a catch. Bags are not allowed inside the consulate, and there are no official lockers, no storage booths, no clear solution. People find out at the last minute and get panicked. Documents, passport, phones, all inside their bags, and security says, no bags, figure it out. So this is where most people feel stuck, frustrated and helpless. Amid the chaos, there's a parked auto rickshaw. No app, no booking, just an old school humble rickshaw and a confident man inside. He leans out and says, "Sir, bag मुझे दे दो, safe रखूंगा, रोज का काम है, 1000 रुपए लगेगा." One line, one offer and one solution. This story went viral thanks to Rahul Rupani, a product leader at Lenskart, who shared his experience on LinkedIn. "I was outside the US Consulate when security told me I couldn't carry my bag inside. Just then, a rickshaw driver said, 'Give me your bag, I will keep it safe. 1000 rupees. It was a genius moment. The model is simple but powerful. The driver accepts your bag, then instead of keeping it in the auto, he stores it safely with the help of a cooperative police officer in a secure locker. He is not just offering storage, he is offering a peace of mind. He makes about 20 to 30 transactions a day. So let's do the math. For 20 bags, 20,000 rupees per day. And for 30 bags, 30,000 rupees per day. So that's around 5 to 8 lakh rupees every month. Yes, more than what many engineers, managers or even MBAs earn. All from one fixed location, one daily service. No delivery, no app and no overhead costs. So why does this work so well? Number 1. The pain point is real. It's immediate, it's urgent and it's shared by thousands. Number 2. The timing is perfect. People discover the problem minutes before their interview, so they need a solution right now. Number 3. The trust factor. The driver builds trust through their body language, tone and reputation. He has a locker system backed by a local police that adds credibility. Number 4. Price justified by stress. People are already anxious. They will pay 1000 rupees not for storage but for relief and speed. In startup language, this is called hyper-specific pain point. So here's what we can learn from this entrepreneur. Number 1. Solve specific problems. You don't need to create the next Facebook. Just solve something small and urgent. Number 2. Timing is everything. Location and timing matters more than tech sometimes. This man is parked in the right place at the right time every day. Number 3. Tech isn't always needed. Entrepreneurship isn't about having the latest app. It's about understanding people and their problems and just solving them. Number 4. Trust is your new currency. When people are stressed, they will pay anyone who can make them feel safe. Number 5. Bootstrapping is real. This man built a 8 lakh rupees per month business with zero marketing budget. This story is not just about a rickshaw driver. It's about the Indian mindset. The street smart, solution driven, never die mindset. In a country where lakhs graduate every year and runs after jobs, some individuals quietly build empires from the street. No fancy logos, no offices, no LinkedIn profile, just common sense, hustle and humanity. In India, there are full of these silent entrepreneurs who spot a gap, who build a bridge and create value. So what did we learn from this amazing story? Entrepreneurship doesn't always start with funding. Sometimes it starts with empathy. This auto rickshaw driver didn't just create a business. He solved a panic moment. and people are happy to pay for it. So if you're watching this and thinking of starting something, then you don't need lakhs to begin. Just observe, solve and serve. So if this story inspired you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs motivation, and let me know in the comments what small problem do you see around yourself and you could solve. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for real, raw and powerful business stories from India. This is Joseph Reddy Talks. See you in the next video.